A great day to you all out there, beautiful people. Welcome to Chop for Naija Kitchen. So if you're just watching this video for the very first time, or if you're just tuning in, please do not forget to thumbs up this video, rate and subscribe. Of course, our YouTube channel is Chop for Naija TV. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Chop for Naija. And of course, our website, our online food directory is www.chopfornaija.tv. Guess what I'm preparing? I'm sure you probably won't be able to guess. Yes. Today I'm going to be preparing sweet and spicy stir fry with chicken and broccoli. Still very much your host, Wumi. Yes. And the accompaniment for today's delicacy is boiled rice. So stick with me as I show you how to go about this. It's good to always be hygienic at all times. And that does not exclude when you're in the kitchen. So before we actually get to start anything at all, we get to wash our hands. So that's what I'm doing. I have to wash my hands first. Make sure it's clean. Yes. Okay, what we'll be using for today's delicacy actually is all of this, and I'm going to run through each and every one of them one after the other. So here is black pepper, soy sauce, chili paste, olive oil, ginger powder, chicken breast, broccoli, green onions, red pepper. This has been sliced into tiny bits, thinly sliced garlic, salt to taste, and of course chicken stock. So I'm going to turn on the burner. Yes, and I'm going to put the pot right on top of it. Okay, so I'll actually put some water in. Okay, so I'm going to put the strainer in as well. And I'm actually going to put the broccoli in now. So what I'm going to do is cover it up. What I actually want to do is let the broccoli get tender. Well, not too soft, just a bit tender. Still has to be firm, of course, a little bit firm. So I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes. So a quick check on the broccoli. Yeah, just okay. So I'm going to remove this now. So next I'm going to heat up oil on medium heat. Olive oil goes in like that. Of course, saute the chicken in oil. So you keep stirring the chicken until the juice runs clear and the chicken is no longer pink. Also, you add the green onions as well. Okay. Yep. Coming up. So now I'm going to add red pepper. Here you go. Ginger powder, of course. Some black pepper. Sugar. And still stir a bit again. I'm going to add the soy sauce. Chili paste. the chicken stock. So I'm actually going to let this simmer for at least 2 minutes. This is really nice. Yes. We're going to add the broccoli. In you go. Yes, and I'm going to add some salt to taste. But first of all, I have to taste it to know what quantity of salt is going to require. Wow, just a little actually. You know, it's always good to use little. Then if you feel you need more, you can always add some more. So I'm going to leave it now for another 2 minutes. Let me check on it. 2 minutes. Okay. Wow. This is really nice. So as you can see, sweet and spicy chicken and broccoli stir fry is ready. Yep. So I'm going to sprinkle some green onions in this. Just a little. Okay guys, welcome back. Well, as you can see, we have here sweet and spicy chicken and broccoli with rice, and I have here on set with me Kings. So he's going to taste this and tell me what he thinks. So you're most welcome, Kings.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes.
I think this looks very spicy.
Okay.
You said you made it with what?
Well, the condiment actually entails broccoli, green onions, garlic, ginger powder, soy sauce, and chili, pepper, and you know, chicken stock and salt to taste. So please dig in and let us know what you actually think about this.
Sorry, I'm left-handed.
It's okay. Some of us are right-handed and some of us are actually left-handed.
Cool.
Okay.
Very cool. Wow. And you said this is what?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yes. It's a type of vegetable. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.